Copy that. 35 to 36?
Yeah, that's correct. Just gotta switch out an engine real quick and then I'll give you a call when we're ready.
Okay, Metrolink's coming into Pedley. I've already got them stacked by, so I'll just stack you right behind them.
Okay, copy that. Thank you very much.
Is it?
NSF calling to dispatcher UP 8357. I got a high wind warning when you're ready to copy. Okay, that's all correct on the repeat there for the UP 8357. Thank you for having us. My understanding, your guys' blowover speed is 59 mph, is that correct? You said 60? Alright, sorry, there's just a little static. Okay, 5-9, alright, so hopefully it doesn't progress in speed. You'll probably be following the Z-Lactic. Let me talk to Mojave to see what order he wants these trains, and then just watch for your light. And then I'll let you know, I guess, if it gets worse, and we'll kind of see what your operations want to do. So, thank you. Freight. Hey, I'll get everybody out of the way, we'll get you going.
Alrighty.
Dispatcher freight. Airplane line locked in the clear. Thank you guys. We'll talk to you later. Have a good rest of the day, Dispatcher.
Let's roll. Previous is 38480 East, 4009 West. Previous instructions, 25 mph, guys.
Alright, previous instruction, 25 mph, bells and whistles. Here we go.
Thank you guys. Have a good one.
Thank you.
Dispatcher 250 over.
Hey, UP 8203. What's the plan for us, brother?
As soon as this El Centro leaves down here at Pepa, at Rancho, we'll get you to the ice deck. And if they don't leave for another 30 minutes, I just crew change you there at Pepa.
Alright. Here we go, big dog.
ILTLB UP 7933. Follow message link there. It's Grand. They're coming into their Pomona stop now. We're following message link at Grand. They're coming into their Pomona stop right now.
UP detector, milepost 525.9.
Dispatcher MSIML UP 7160.
UP 7160.
Line into the extension, down and into siding 1. They're going to chop the rear portion of your train there in the extension, then take the rest over to siding 1. Should be a auto switcher crew out there to help you.
Alright, copy that. We're lined in siding 1, full in, and they're gonna chop off the rear.
Reach out to Miraloma and they'll be able to assist there. Should be a van ordered. I tried to get one ordered, and I think they said that maybe you already reached out and got it ordered to get you back to the beach. Is that correct?
Correct. And that's the reach out, trying to say it.
I like it. I like it. Love the initiative. Here we go.
NSF calling sub dispatcher, BNSF 7329. Yes, sir. I got a high wind warning when you're ready to copy. NSF 7329 East, I got a high wind warning on the Cajon subdivision between milepost 0 to milepost 24. Also, on the Needle subdivision between milepost 730, milepost 745,
decimal 8. Wind gusts up to 55 by 5 mph.
Dispatcher to the UP 2536, over. Now you got Hot Wheels. Read me form C number 77761, over. Read it to me, over. Okay, to 1544, that is correct. All right, let me know what you find there, over. That's correct. Let me know what you find. Can you call out for the 5831 where you're at and see if they can hear you to 5831? Dispatcher out. .536, over. Okay, your stop, correct, over? Hey, when you get to the property conductor, please don't move any further there until you talk to dispatcher. I'm calling the ambulance and the police for the ZLBHO. I can't, no contact. Police and an ambulance for the ZLBHO, so stay hold tight after you pull them up.